Alright, hi everybody. My wife and kids are out of town for a couple of days, so I've been wanting to make this video for a little while, a little how-to video. If you've got glass shower doors, bathroom, and no matter what you've done, cleaning, bubbles, vinegar, if you've tried to get that scale off the glass and you just can't get it off, I'm in a similar situation, and I'm going to take care of that today, and I was going to make a quick video to show you guys how to do it. First thing you want to do is you want to get that shower nice and clean. So get a bucket of soapy water and clean everything off. If you've got girls or you use conditioner yourself, you're going to have a lot of wax and shampoo all over. So get that off first. Then where the magic's going to happen is if you've waxed your car, you're going to want to go out and get your polishing gun with a new pad. I was actually going to make a compound to clean the glass, and the reason I was going to make a compound is I've tried vinegar, so it's not calcium, and normal water hardness. I've tried all kinds of degreasers, it's not the wax from conditioners. What it is there's silica, there's amorphous silica that's floating around in all of our groundwater, and over time it builds up on glass, and you can't get that off with acids, bases, solvents. Really, it's going to take mechanical cleaning. So I was going to make a silica glass safe cleaning solution using some products from Avonic. But after feeling a cleaner that I actually found, this one, which is good for the environment apparently, feeling the texture of it, it's got the silica in it already at about 100 microns. You can tell just by feeling it, or I can. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and use that and a polisher, and that's really going to get all of that silica off the glass. And then finally, we'll clean it up with some glass cleaner, and it's going to look sharp. So let's head into the bathroom, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so here we are in my beautiful bathroom, this nice gold trim 70s looking shower. This is what we're going to work on. You can see down here, you can almost barely even see through the glass. It's got so much buildup. So I've got all the junk out of here, so I'm going to clean the glass first, then I'm going to get to work on polishing. Here's a close-up of the glass. You can see down at the bottom, that's where actually the most of it is. You can barely see through this, and you can see that has all been scrubbed and cleaned, and it just won't come off. So we're going to grind it up. Okay, so the cleaning part is now done. Now I'm going to take my polisher and the cleaning solution that's got the grit size in it that I want, and I'm going to get to work on this glass section by section. Okay, you can see I've got the first pane done, and the difference is incredible. I can actually see through the glass on the bottom. I'm going to do the other two sides, and then I'll windex these windows up. All right, well, I've finished washing the windows with Windex, and I'll tell you, it looks amazing. They almost look like new glass. If you look really close, You can see a little tiny mark, so probably the next time I clean these, I'll do that again, and they'll be good as new. All right, that's it. You guys have a good day.